there, this is Atmosphere Electric Bikes. We're going to show you around the new Velosolex folding bike, give you a closer look and go over some of the features. This bike has a 250 watt brushless motor in the rear hub. It's running off of a 24 volt 10 amp lithium polymer battery, which is hidden in the main frame. A really nice integrated rack on this bicycle, which hides the rear light in the back as well. Full wraparound mudguards. This is a folding bike. It comes with folding pedals and a hinge mechanism in the middle. Moving up to the front, you've got 6 modes of pedal assist, all on an LCD display. Tektro brake levers and Shimano gears. Now the stem's actually adjustable and hinges as well for folding. Front cable disc brake. Front suspension forks to take out the bumps. Nice feature of this bike as well is the nod to the old Solex bikes also houses the front light. This kind of bulbous section just there, which makes for a really stylish folding electric bike. That's the Velosolex.